What's up guys, if you have not already seen it, the all new DET and DET-GN are live. These are two bad mamma jammas. Let's take a look at the features that bring the heat for the work that you need to do. Starting with the DET, which is the bumper pull version, at the front we integrated the same tongue assembly that you've seen on the LPX, HDT, and also the LPT most recently. That has the HD V-tongue lid, so you can use this area as extended deck space on top for maybe a cooler, a job box, a generator, things like that you can set on top. You can strap down to the fence around the top here to secure it to get to the job site. Maybe you're headed to the job site and you don't have enough room in the back of the truck or whatnot. It gives you that little extra bonus space on top. Then when you open it up to the inside, there's a massive storage area inside that's lockable, so you can put, as in right now we've got a chain, binder, you can put all kinds of things inside there that can be locked out of the way, out of the reach of sticky fingers. The cool thing about it, it's got the engineered beam tongue. So this is a tongue, a beam that we actually manufacture in-house. We make it extra deep to give you that storage inside, and it also, when the bed is down, matches the height of the floor of the trailer. It also has the all-new 3D automotive grade lettering for the Diamond C decal. Looks really, really clean. Moving back, we have now integrated this engineered beam technology into the frame, just as we spoke about in the tongue. What that means is it's the same technology that we use in the big F-Max series that we have pioneered and developed over the last 6 years. It's the same technology in this platform, which means we have the full control over the height of the beam, the thickness of the material, we put the material where it counts the most, making the most use of the weight of the trailer to where that you get the best power to weight ratio. When we move back, we now have located all of the hydraulics into an underslung side box. It's really cool. You got your charger, you got your battery, pump, all located in this side box to keep the front box that we looked at free for all of your storage needs. Another detail of the new DET is the hose routing. We use these nice hose clamps on the top of the crossmember, on the back of the crossmember. Just keeps the hoses from drooping or being able to get hung on any kind of road debris, which is really nice and neat, a good little detail there. The second thing we'll look at is the spare tire. It's now mounted under the bed, out of the way, not on the tongue, not on the side, not in the bed of your truck. We include an extension rod in the toolbox for if and when you ever need it. All you do is simply let it down with the winch, slide it out from under it. You're not heave-hoeing it off again out of the box or on the back of your truck. All DETs and DET-GNs include a wireless control so that you can be able to operate it from the ground like this or from the seat of your equipment. Now that we have the bed down, I wanted to go back and show you that level surface from the deck over onto the HD lid. You can even see these forks are kind of hanging over. It's a really cool feature because say you've got, this is a 22-foot trailer, say you've got some 24-foot material that you need a little extra space, that you've got, say, a bundle in the center, it can actually extend over onto the HD lid, no problem. The next thing we're going to look at is we've included now the fold out deck steps on the DET. You got a handle here, you step here. Deck access has never been easier on the DET. This also acts as a kind of a bump stop for any material that you may have. It acts as a bump stop to where you can know where to set it there. When we move back to the center, it also includes the midship turn signal and deck step, just like the F-Max series. So again, you've got this step here, hold on to your equipment or whatnot, you can step up and down to be able to get off of the trailer or on. The last thing we're going to look at, and you can't really see it, but you got to believe me, it's there, ask your dealer about it, is the Lippert slipper roller suspension. It's new, it's standard on 7 and 8K slipper spring suspension trailers. And the awesome thing about it is it's a smoother, softer ride, but it's also more maintenance free. It's more durable, it's going to last longer. It actually pivots in on rubber bushings instead of grinding like the old slipper spring suspension used to do, and it has a roller built in as well, so it lets that spring just glide back and forth. To close out the DET, the only things that you see here that aren't standard are the solar panel up front to keep your battery hot, the winch plate to be able to mount your own winch to drag up, down equipment, and the Blackwood outer for max traction. So moving over to the DET-GN, a lot of the details we looked at on the DET, the bumper pull, are very much the same. We've now integrated the engineered beam technology into the frame. Your hose routing improvements are the same, very much better. A lot of it's really the same, but where it starts to change drastically is here at the neck forward. We've now integrated the engineered beam technology into the neck, gotten rid of that pesky old I-beam, the structural beam, lightened up the neck a good bit, made it look really cool. The next thing we're going to look at is the super wide neck box. Spring assisted, opens, you've got your rod extension to lower your spare down mounted nice in here. You've got 2 lights in here, so when your running lights are on, it lights up the inside of the box for you. The last 2 features that we'll talk about are the new lengths up to 30 feet long, as well as the new stationary deck option. The stationary deck is great for if you need to haul, say, an implement or a pallet of something on the front and it not go up with the tilt. You can put it right there on the stationary deck, strap it down. It's a really cool new feature. Jump on DiamondC.com on the DET and DET-GN. You can see a full host of options, more than what you've seen today, to be able to build your own to match the work you need to do.